In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Recurring Tasks. If you ever find yourself recreating the same to-dos every day, week, or month, this walkthrough will save you a ton of time and keep your workflow consistent. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to the space where the task lives. Think of a space as the home for a team or a project area. Choosing the right space ensures you're working in the correct context with the lists and permissions that matter for your work. Next, open the specific task you want to repeat. This can be anything you handle on a regular cadence, like a weekly report or a daily checklist. Before you set it to recur, it helps to have the task's core details in place: title, description, and any subtasks. So each future instance starts off complete and ready to go. Inside the task, click the dates area. This is usually where you add or edit the task's start and due dates. Opening the date picker gives you access to the scheduling controls you'll use to make the task repeat automatically. In the date picker, choose Set Recurring. This option unlocks the repeat settings and tells ClickUp to generate future instances on a schedule. You'll see a panel with frequency and timing choices designed to fit different rhythms of work. Now customize the recurrence to match your needs. Choose how often it repeats: daily, weekly, monthly, or at another interval. If it's weekly, pick the exact day or days. If you work on it monthly, decide whether it repeats on a specific date or, for example, the first Monday of the month. You can also fine-tune when the next occurrence should start and how due dates roll forward. Many teams like to repeat tasks based on the due date for a predictable schedule, while others prefer to trigger the next cycle after the current one is completed to avoid overlap. If needed, set an end condition so it repeats forever, stops after a number of occurrences, or ends on a certain date. Take a moment to confirm the time zone and any reminders so nothing slips through the cracks. When everything looks right, click Save. You'll see a recurring indicator on the task confirming your schedule is active. From here on, ClickUp will create the next occurrence automatically according to your settings. If your workflow changes, just return to the dates area, adjust the recurrence, and save again. No need to rebuild anything from scratch. And that's it. You've set up a reliable, reusable process using ClickUp Recurring Tasks so your routine work stays organized and on time without the manual effort.